how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. Now there is no native app here in Shopify which helps you to enable that, but there are a number of different things we can do, and also third-party applications we can use, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So the first thing we want to do is go to our settings here in the bottom left corner next to the gear icon. We go to payments, and here we can choose a provider. You can type in third-party payment providers. You can check them out from here, all of them in this drop down. You can see what fees they have and so on. Something else you can do is you can add a manual payment method. You just click on this one and you click on create custom payment method. Up here you can press PayPal. You can type in PayPal like that. You can add the details on how to finish the transaction, the payment instructions down here, and then you just click on activate. But the downside to this is you will have to check every single payment manually, which won't be as feasible if you have a lot of orders going in. So something else we can do is we can go to our apps and sales channels, and from here we go to our Shopify app store. That will take us to a new page. Now we can type in PayPal, and now you can choose a third-party application like PayTrackster, which is free. You just click on it and install it and then enable it, and that's it. That's how you can add PayPal payment to Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.